Good morning, mammals. My heart is sad because I have no comic picture today, and that is because my internet is down. I'm recording this at the house, and then I want to make a trek to Starbucks to use some Wi-Fi so I can get it posted. So hopefully I'm getting this posted in not too untimely of a manner. So anyway, we will go forward with what I want you guys to do today, which is to outline your papers so that when we get back in school next week, we can get up to the computer lab and you can write a draft without further ado. So, moving forward. So I have outlined your outline, basically breaking it down to the paragraphs that I would like to see and what I would like to see in them. So an introduction paragraph, always a good thing. One of the things that you're going to have to establish in your introduction paragraph is, what exactly the problem is that we're talking about. And that's, the communication gap between scientists and the general public, particularly over issues where the general public is making decisions like the food that we have to eat. Who exactly is Vani Hari? So a brief statement as to who she is, and then your thesis as to whether or not you think she is acting in the public good. One of your body paragraphs I want you to devote to describing the communication gap problem and what you think its causes are. So that NTI assignment that we did the first day of Snowpocalypse 1 would be a good source for this. So the Steve Novella, Scott Adams blog article would be a good thing, because what you can see there is the scientist Steve Novella dissecting some of the problems that the general public person, Scott Adams, has with science. Some of those are legit, some of them are not, but nonetheless we have a problem. So I'll post a link in the comment section for that. Body paragraphs 2 through 4, this is going to be the bulk of your paper where you're supporting your thesis. So the big long article that I gave you, I'll post a link to that too, in case you left it at school. That's where most of your evidence is going to be coming from, and be sure to work a rebuttal in there. When we read over that with your partners in class, you should have found at least a couple things that go against your side that you're going to have to rebut, and then kind of what you're going to include in your conclusion. So I'll be checking for outline completion when we're back in class. That way the next opportune time for me to get us into the computer lab, you guys are ready to start typing. So enjoy your snow day, enjoy your weekend, and hopefully we'll see you Monday.